Hi everyone, welcome to Playwright tutorial. Today in this tutorial we will learn about how to skip test case in Playwright and run the specific test case in Playwright. So let's begin. This is login test case test dot before each means runs before every test for setup task like opening a page or logging in. Now, add further test cases inside this file. This is only one test case for login with valid username and valid password, and then click on login button. Let's add further test cases and add second test case. Now, we have total two test cases in this file. One is login with valid credentials, and second test case is login with invalid credentials. Now, we have total two test cases in this file. Suppose you want to run only test case login with valid credentials and you want to skip this test case login with invalid credentials. If you want to skip this test case, second test case, so you can just enter here dot skip test dot skip. It means this test case will be skipped. It's used when you want to temporarily disable a test. Now run the test and see what happened. npx playwright file name is login dot spec dot ts dash dash headed dash dash project chromium. Change here enter invalid underscore user name and enter here invalid password. Save this file and run the test. Click on enter for running the test. In this scenario, only one test case will be run. As you can view, one skipped, one passed. Now change here. Suppose you have a multiple test cases in this file and you want to run only this test case, which is login with valid credentials. Enter here test dot only. It lets you run a single test and ignore all others. Save this file and again run the test. In this scenario, only this test case will be executed. Running one test using one marker, and here you can view only one test case execute. Let's add some weight here for better understanding. Here we are getting dot fill. Let's again run the test and see what happened and add some weight here and remove this assertion. Await page dot wait for timeout and enter here 2000. Again run the test. Running one test using one worker. Navigate to this URL. As you can view, only this test case execute, and this all test cases have been skipped. Now, you know about how to skip test case and run only a specific test case in a Playwright. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Playwright tutorials. See you in the next video.